Good morning. Welcome to Riches for My Britches. My name is Josh, and this is a live stream on day trading. Live stream, day trading, live stream day trading. I don't know, man. I think I got that messed up. It's early in the morning. It's about 6:15. We got 15 minutes till the market opens. Here's a look at the gap scan this morning. ASNS is our leading gapper. It's up 115%. 20 million shares traded, 4 million shares in the float. The chart, however, we've been pulling back on it. Now, this one does have some news on it. So it's got a partnership. And I've got a level marked out here, this ascending line. So what I'm looking for is probably an entry off of that bottom line down there. I think what we have is hourly consolidation on this one. So that's the 15. Here's the hourly. So you can see that we're pulling back here on the hourly time frame, and we have a support down here on an hourly higher low. But we got this big long red wick too with a pre-market high up at 330. So if we can hold up here long enough and then we pull back at the open to this ascending line, I might take a stab at that. So I'm going to watch that one for that kind of a play. The next one that we have is MLGO. Now this one is our second leading gapper. It also has a lot of volume and a nice float. I like the price. It did, however, pull back. It has a long upper wick on this 15-minute time frame. But, you know, we're just slowly moving up here. Now, this one doesn't have news that I could find. So I'm not exactly sure what the move is about, unless it's just a technical setup, which I'm not sure about that either. The daily time frame here, we are trading up in this area. So it had a big day back on the 4th. And then sold off. So this is just a after the fact kind of bounce, in my opinion. Don't know that we'll see a whole lot there, but I am going to keep an eye on it, just in case we see something. I wonder if I mark out this low and put a line up through here. Ah, there we go. So you can see we bounced nicely off of that level. Definitely a legitimate line. You could technically draw another one up here too, if you're looking for a place to sell if you get in long. That could be a target area. It's a long ways away. Don't know that we'll actually get up there. But there it is nonetheless. I'm going to actually take that line away for now. Okay, so I'm watching MLGO. The next one down is CMTL. Now this one doesn't have a lot of volume yet. The float's a little on the larger side. It does have news. I'm sorry, yeah, as far as news goes, it's a earnings play. So there could be something there just because it's earnings. I've got it on my watch list over here. I don't have it on my trading windows yet because I'm not sure about it. Further down, SILK, that one, I don't like those kind of stocks the way that looks, so I'm not even going to bother with that one. It does have some news, but yeah, I'm not really interested in it. CHGG, I haven't checked this one out yet. Looks like it does have something going for it. The float's way too big though, so I'm gonna leave that one alone. GWAV. This one, little light on volume earlier. It looks like it's kind of caught up a little bit. This one's got some news on it. Let's see, what was the news on this one? kind of hard to find it here on Thinkorswim. Sometimes they've... Oh, I know I saw something. Oh, I thought I did. Let me just see. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it doesn't have. I guess I'm not really seeing anything here. Oh, wait a minute. That's why. I clicked on it, but it didn't load the chart. So I'm looking at the wrong one. Here we go. GWAV. Yeah, I thought I saw news on it. Green Wave Technology shares are trading higher after the company completed its recapitalization. Not exactly sure what that means. I don't know that I like the chart on this one. I might put it on my watch list over here, but I don't think I'm gonna look at trading it first thing. What else do we have here? TBLT. So, CMTL we looked at, BLDP, that one I'm not interested in. And then down in the cheaper penny stocks, we have NUWE. Made a nice move initially. I thought maybe something, there might be something there. It had some news, but it's sold off now, so I'm not really interested in that one. RELI, nice moves on it. And there was a daily level here that it broke over and almost made it up to that next daily level, but now we're consolidating. And so, I don't know. I'm going to keep an eye on it. I've got it on my trading window. And we'll see if something happens with that one. We're breaking that ascending line there now. So let me see what I have here. CMTL. So over here I had GWAV. I'm going to put CMTL up here. This is the one that has earnings. And we'll see if anything comes of this. Of this here, we got over a couple of daily levels there. So we're up above the pre-market highs. And just trending up on the 1 minute time frame. We are due for a 5 minute consolidation, trading above the volume weighted average price. Right there. 34-ish cent candle ranges. And RELI, this one here is possible. We might see a 5 minute downtrend on this. But right now it's kind of a bull flag. So, you know, bull's in control at the moment. If I can get a few more touches there on that line. Okay. We shall see on that one, pre-market high, 75 cents. Got the daily level up at 80. MLGO over here. Let me see. What are the candle ranges on this one? Right around 5 to 10 cents, which is pretty good. All right, MLGO, the one that doesn't have news. See that 15-minute time frame there with that long upper wick? You know, I don't know that I'm expecting too much from this one, but like I said, I will keep it on watch here. We have a pre-market high of 625. There's this consolidation zone down in here. We had a line drawn here. I had a line drawn here, and this made its move over it, back tested it a couple times, and then went up. So that line found support. I don't think I want to keep it there though. For the moment, this line is holding. Maybe we see a bounce potential off that. We have less than 4 minutes till the market is open. ASNS here, like I said, so you see the larger time frames here. We're pulling back on the hourly. I'm looking to hold that ascending line. So I'm hoping here that we'll pull back to that area and maybe I can get a trade on it. We are below the VWAP here though, so that's bear territory. A little apprehensive to trade something that's below the VWAP, but we'll see. So for me personally, I'm going into the morning kind of feeling like I'm not sure. I think CMTL here maybe is the one, but time will tell if that is the case. I like RELI and CMTL. The only thing about RELI is you see the big candles up here, so it's very possible we're due for consolidation. I want to keep that in mind. We'll see what kind of resistance we get if it tries to get back up to 75 cents. This one here now starting to curve over, so we're seeing our 5-minute consolidation that we needed. On that, 1.5 minutes to go. As it's hitting $3, a lot of volume traded at 3. Oh, and MLGO hitting that support, kind of breaking down. Bouncing off though. Okay, 30 seconds to go. And we're open. I'm in a couple of trades at once here. Got to look back and forth. As usual, the platform's a little bit sluggish. Really sluggish here. I'm trading CMTL. Nice move. Okay. So CMTL coming up to that daily resistance now. Boy, so slow. Oh, geez. Can we get the break back through 64? And CMTL here. Wow, this is so hard to trade with the orders being so slow the way they are. Wow. 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 That's crazy, man. I just, I don't know what's going on here. I'm a little disappointed with the Thinkorswim platform. Don't know why it's being like so slow. If you hear disappointment in my voice, it's because every time I push the buy button, I can almost literally count to 5 before my order gets filled. And this never used to be like this, so I'm not really sure. Making it very difficult to get in and out of trades because I like to get it in and out quick. I don't know what's going on with this. I'm at my daily goal and I'm almost thinking about stopping. I mean, I really want to trade CMTL, but when my orders aren't getting filled fast enough, it's a little nerve-wracking. On this last candle here, I got in this, and as it shot up, I tried to get out up here, and I hit the flatten button, and it took another 10 seconds for all of my trades for me to get completely out. So that is disappointing. I'll buy a little pullback there. See that? Still not filled. I hit the buy button there. Finally it filled. Oh, it's a new 5-minute candle. Ooh, I probably should have waited on that. And now here she comes down. Came back to the VWAP there. The low of that candle is 357. I'll put my stop loss down below that low. That's a pretty nice move. Yeah, I'm gonna stop right there. Just gonna say that, you know, I'm at my daily goal, $50. God, I feel like this thing's gonna go, you know. It's an equilibrium right now. Whew, man, that's just like, that is so crazy. It's just rough. And not every day is like this, as far as, you know, getting in and out of trades, but I've seen more days like it than not. And it's a little concerning to me that that's what it's kind of come down to with this platform. So hopefully that's going to change. I don't know if it's because TD Ameritrade was bought out by Schwab, but it does seem like, oh, what the heck's going on here? Okay. Let's see what we got. Why did that get... Going to... What? Okay. Okay, I'll try one more trade on this as we come up to $4. Let's see if we can break through 4. There we go. That was a nice move. Okay. So let me see what's going on here. Oh, there she goes. Breaking through 412, right through that daily level. Yeah, that was nice. So a little equilibrium here. Now you got the volatility coming in. Yeah, okay. What I'm trying to do here is load my trades up. I'm going to take a little break and I'll be back in a second. Apparently that's not going to work, so I can't get my system to do the trade review for me, so I'm not going to do one today. But look at RELI here. It just went up and got itself halted. Actually, while I was in my break there, I tried to take a trade on it right in here, and you know, it's not just this one over here; it's this one too. They both just take forever to fill. I went through and closed out a bunch of stuff. Closed out the level 2. I closed out the time and sales, all the studies that I have, most of them, thinking maybe some of that might maybe slowing down the platform, but that didn't seem to have any effect either. So I'm not sure really what's going on. I don't know if it's me or if it's the platform, but I'd be curious to know if anybody else is having this same issue with orders just being so dang slow to fill. It's not just on one ticker, it's on every ticker I've tried to trade this morning. So real quick, I'll just see if I can remember what I traded. ASNS, I actually did pretty good on. I bought it as we came down. So remember pre-market, I was talking about that hourly time frame consolidation coming down to this support level, that would be an area where I would buy. However, knowing we were below the volume weighted average price, I was nervous about it. I was like, I don't know, that's bear territory. But what I did was on the 1 minute time frame, as soon as it came down to that level on the first 1 minute candle, I punched the order or the buy button 3 times and I sold into this bounce, and that's how I ended up making 22 bucks on that one. I also bought it down here at this support level, so that was that hourly higher low, and I ended up selling that one pretty quick. I didn't really hold it very long. Didn't take any trades on MLGO because it broke that ascending line. I wasn't really interested in that one. This one over here, you know, I wish I could look at my trades, but unfortunately I can't pull them up right now. I just actively traded it. I did try to trade it in this area, and then it had this big drop, so I was red on it initially. and traded it up in through here, but you know, it was really hard to get green on it. I finally did. These cheaper penny stocks are often a little more difficult to trade. And my last trade on it was here, but I didn't like how slow it was to get in and out, so I just canceled that order altogether. And this one here, this was a nice mover. You know, it's not something that I typically trade. It's not a parabolic type of stock, but it had earnings. And so it had earnings, it had volume. I think it had a lot of attention from a lot of different people. So I think it was a good stock to buy. But that's just about it. You know, just about it. Now we have a big rejection there. So we're consolidating here. That's our first, it's not our first major rejection. We had one back here too, but this one put in some nice equilibriums. You had one here, you had one here, and they broke out and they followed through. So that's pretty nice when you see that, happen. And we have green candle, red candle, green candle, red candle, green candle. Now I don't know if this red candle, if we're on the backside of the move here now for a little bit. We got a resistance up at 487 on this one, but being that this one has earnings, I wouldn't be surprised to see it just kind of trend all day. Be careful on RELI. It was a nice consolidation pattern here. We actually pulled right back into that zone. So that's pretty nice. I almost bought it down here when we hit this support. I was watching it on that third 1 minute candle, and it started breaking below it. And when I saw that, I just like, I don't think I want to do it. But of course, then it turned around and made a nice move up to that daily. So if you've been playing that, you know, could have been playing off of that support and your target is the daily level. That would have been great. That would have been a great trade. You know, we had this consolidation area in here, and so we pulled back into that area and bounced from there and got halted going up. So, you know, not bad. Not bad. Price action's nice, platform sucks. I'm just like very disappointed. But anyways, I'm at my daily goal at least. So that I'm happy about. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, I can open this up. I'm in phase 2. So $50, $53.95. I hit a high, my low today. Was I red on the day? I was red. I started out red. I want to say I was down like -5, and I hit a high of 56.02, and so that's not right. 5,000. Damn, that'd be nice. I have had days like that, but it's been a while. 53.95. So I didn't get over yesterday's high, but I'm certainly, this is the highest close of this phase. So I'm finally starting to break out of my consolidation pattern here, my tightening range. So now I have a green weekly candle. Ignore that monthly candle. I still got to fix that. Yeah, so my average, you know, I'm doing okay. I'm not real excited about what I'm averaging right now. Considering my risk is 50, I should be seeing an average profit of $25 a day. But, you know, it's been, like I said, rough going this past week for me. So I look at, let's see, I don't know if you can see that. RELI, man, that was a nice resumption and a move up to $1. So beautiful move up. And it looks like we kind of are on the backside here. Something different is happening now in CMTL, where we were holding the highs of each of these, or the lows of each of these candles, and now we're pulling back. So we have 5-minute consolidation. It's the first candle that's broken the low of the last 5-minute candle in quite some time here. So you're seeing something a little different. It's a new hourly candle, so I wouldn't be surprised to see further consolidation on that. All right, that's it for me. I'm going to get out of here. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.